welcome back to my channel. So I am going to share with you what I got from Primark. So I've just literally picked up a few bits from Primark, and yeah, so I hope you enjoy my little haul. But let's get right into it. I really love these reusable bags, guys. Like, I'm telling you, if you all know the Primark bags, they tend to rip. I'm so glad these reusable bags are just like so handy, especially when it's raining, because it was raining today and I thought I need a suitable bag because I do not want to be all ripped, and these reusable bags are just perfect, especially when it's raining. So okay, let's dive in. So what have I got? So just picked up a few bits. So picked a few bits for my little boy. So he's got a pair of Paw Patrol sunglasses. So I thought these are super cute on him because I keep meaning to buy some new sunglasses for him, because it's getting too small now. So now this is like a medium to large now. So he's got a really good size, especially because of the summer's coming up now. So yeah, this is super nice. I really like how they got the red and the blue. So yeah, he absolutely loves it, guys. As soon as I gave it to him, he was like head over heels from it all. So yeah, he really loves these sunglasses. And then just got him some little pair of sandals. So this costs £5 for these cute sandals. Oh, I did forget. So the sunglasses here, they cost £1.80, so not bad. And then these cute sandals, which is super nice, I really love. So these cost £5. He does have like a really dark blue ones, but I thought, I saw these nice beige ones, I thought I have to get how cute, guys. I thought it was super cute, especially for the summer. So yeah, that'll be perfect. And then some new sunglasses. Now I keep meaning to get some new sunglasses because I have so many, I just literally can't find it all. It's either misplaced, but it's just £1. Just something simple. That this is super nice for the spring and summer. So do test it. How nice, guys. Really love these type of avatar glasses. So yeah, so this is like more of a nice brownie tint to it. So yeah, I really love these sunglasses. And then I picked up another bits for my little boy. So I got him some pair of sneakers. How cute are these? So perfect for the spring. I do like all this rubber texture, which is really nice, and I just like how it's just nice and white. Let's just see how long this is going to last though. It's keeping it white though, because I'm always cleaning his shoes. But yeah, I wanted to pick these up because these are super cute. So this costs £12. How nice. So yeah, I'm loving his. I feel like I've been getting more things for him than me. I literally only just got two things for myself, and my little boy has got more than me. I love to spoil my little boy. So yeah, these gorgeous sandals and these nice sneakers. So yeah, super cute. And then last but not least, guys, so this is just for myself. I literally only just got two things for myself. So I got some new joggers and some new jumper. So yeah, I got these cute joggers, which I keep meaning to get some nice new joggers just to run around the house. So I do have like a lot of beige joggers, so I thought I want to switch it up and have these really nice grey ones. So I got the extra small, and this costs £6. Not bad. Wanted to get some just for around the house. So yeah, I really like this, and it feels super nice and soft too. And then I've got a jumper to go with it. So how cute. So yeah, I've got the small size, and this cost £8. And I just like anything that's just so comfortable and just to wear around the house. So this is super perfect for me. I'm absolutely loving these joggers. So yeah guys, so that is everything in today's Primark haul. I really hope you enjoy my shop with me video. So yeah guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.